For the flower stalk and leaves, I have used fern green and olive color papers. To make the leaf, I have take a half of a strip, make a teardrop shape. Make a loose coil and then press the corners and then glue down. This is how I made the leaves. To arrange them, I take a little longer strip, bend it into half, and then stick the top leaf here. Just apply some glue, put the leaf near the bend, and then stick them. This will make it stronger when I add other leaves. You can notice that I haven't done that in this, so it is bending so much. If I'm going to mount it directly, this is not going to cause any difference, but still, to hold it properly, I have stuck like this now. And for the marigold flowers, usually they have around some 11 leaves, so I'm going to stick the leaves like this. So now you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 and 11 leaves. So just put some glue to the base and then stick. Once dry, we can add it to the stalk of the flower. For the stalk, make a similar coil. Make it as loose coil and then press to make a D-like shape. Glue it here and you will get one like this. And then take two paper strips, stick them to the sides so that it is strong. And then this one is made from around 4 paper strips stuck together so that it is very hard. And now what I'm going to do is glue them by putting it in the middle. And now for the base, I will be sticking some tight coil so that and put some glue here. And stick this. So this actually helps my flower not to fall down like this when I stick them to the stalk. Okay. And when the leaf is dry, I can stick them here. As I have said, I have used two shades of green, the fawn and the light olive color, so that when I keep so many pieces of flowers, it will look really beautiful with the different shades. Hope you have found this useful. I'm so sorry. Hope you find this video useful, and please click the like button if you like this video, and also comment what sort of videos you would like for me to do in future. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.